As the pandemic continues, people across the country prepare to celebrate Christmas next week. Action News Now reporter Ryan Caney spoke with people and local officials about a possible winter surge in COVID cases.
Shasta County Public Health is warning that with many families holding indoor gatherings and a lot of holiday travel expected, the county could see a rise in COVID cases. Public Health told me they're concerned that people may have pandemic fatigue and listen to less COVID guidelines than before.
There definitely is that concern, and we want to avoid it. We want to make sure people are doing the same things that have protected us so far in the pandemic, and that is washing your hands, staying home if you're sick, making sure you're vaccinated or boosted. If you haven't got the booster and you're due for it, go ahead and do that, and masking.
Public Health also said people traveling should keep in mind that the highly contagious Omicron variant is in the state, and the best protection against the virus is still getting the vaccine. Despite the concern from Public Health, many people that I talked to are split. Some will take extra precautions this Christmas, while others are hoping to return to normalcy.
Well, my plans are just to go up to Wairika, spend a little bit of time with my family up there, kind of get away from the COVID situation, to be honest with you, trying to not worry about it. I'm not concerned about it, just looking forward to spending time with family.
We're staying local. I have 4 grandkids here, and then just stay home with family. Just be safe and smart about what we do, and always use hand sanitizer, wear masks if we're in a big crowd, and just sort of limit our exposure.
Shasta County Public Health told me one easy way to make sure you're not a victim of pandemic fatigue is to make sure you still have a well-fitting mask just like this one that covers your entire mouth and nose. In Redding, Ryan Caney, Action News Now. Coverage you can count on.
Shasta County Public Health told Action News Now that if you plan to travel, you should plan to be tested before you leave and when you return to make sure you aren't spreading the virus to your family.